Come hither. Hello.
Hi, Haas.
So today, we are working on Bob's new truck.
I never thought I'd see the day. Wait, you have something in your tooth. It's big and black. Right there. Gotta do the thing.
How long have you had this truck? 4 months?
Yeah.
5 months?
Probably 4.
Already got about 20,000 miles on it. Today, we are gonna be doing some goodies. This is my wife, by the way, if you didn't know. She hasn't been on the channel in a while.
I haven't been.
She's been busy living life without me.
What?
Go ahead.
Okay, from what I know, we're gonna do...
We're doing everything you want, so just, what do you want?
Okay, Fender covers, Fender flares.
OEM paint matched Fender moldings.
Okay, and then we're doing the cover on my trunk.
New cover for the bed.
Yeah, there we go. And...
Tint.
Tint is a huge one.
Mirror stuff, the mirror caps.
Yeah, mirror caps. I don't even know.
All right.
That's a lot.
So she has a new elevation and she wanted it to look nice. She initially wanted me to lift it, but I ain't going to.
I still one day hope that we can level it.
Maybe a level.
Yeah.
Maybe, but it rides so nice as it is. Grandpa. I'm getting old, I know. So we're gonna start with, let's start with the OEM stuff first. So it's pretty nice when you buy a new truck. Well, it's stupid that they're black moldings and black mirrors, but GM offers paint matched models, paint matched versions, and they're like 500 bucks.
That seems like a lot.
It's cheap for painted parts.
I feel like this is just for if you want to go off-roading, you know?
Yeah.
And I do a lot of off-roading, you know?
Yeah, so these are the first things we're gonna replace. Let's do one side and then do a before and after and see what looks better. We already know the white is gonna look way better. And then also, is that all the elevations have the black mirror caps or just your model with
I don't know, honestly.
She wants white mirror caps. And they sell those paint matched as well. That's how it's done. We're gonna leave it like that. That looks nice. I thought mine on my truck were bolted on, at least in a few spots. Hers literally were just clipped on. That's what happens when you buy the cheap knockoff model of a full-size truck.
That's mean.
Dude, China.
What? Stop saying that.
China.
That's quality. I don't know what you're talking about.
Nice. That's so easy.
So easy.
I like that.
Me too.
Okay, let's grab the new ones and make sure they're actually white, not red or something.
This is your problem, is you never open up the boxes when you get them.
Open your gift. Don't hurt the box.
I don't really want you recording this, but I can't get it open. Whoa.
Are they white?
White.
Don't scuff them.
Don't worry. I love the white on this truck. It's just so white.
It's about as white as you can get. It's like that white.
Probably whiter.
Honestly,
Are they the same?
they're very similar. Dude, that is a white. Let me see this.
No new clips.
Oh, perfect.
It's whiter.
Dang, I gotta repaint my car now. I want it as white as possible. So this one is right-hand front.
Nice.
That's what we need. So I need to go through, pull out all of these clips, place it onto here, clip it in, and we're done. Dude, hire me to mod out your GMC.
That rhymed.
Oh,
I'll hold it, honey. I'll hold it.
What?
It's gonna take so long.
Yeah, that's why you shouldn't have gone through and put them all back in.
Devin, can you like back away from me?
Put your clip in, little buddy. We got work to do.
I think I stole clips from the other one because like.
Oh boy, they don't match. Color's wrong.
My truck is a little bit dirty.
Dude.
I'm gonna have you do it just so I don't mess it up.
Okay. The truck is filthy.
It's really dirty. Either it's really filthy or it doesn't match.
Could you imagine if it didn't match? Brand new OEM off the VIN and the VIN don't match. Sometimes you just gotta punch it. That's it.
Nice.
I might scuff it a bit, but there we go.
There we go. Nice.
Turn it into a $100,000 truck. Dude, you took out the wrong one. You're such a nerd. This is the left side. Give me the right side.
Are you kidding?
Now we don't have any clips.
Are you kidding me?
No, left hand side. Whoa, it don't fit right.
I didn't know. I didn't know they did right and left and left. I thought they did back and front. I'm not a mechanic like you.
Yeah, so this is the right rear. Pull out the clips. Now. Well, after Devin did it right, now it's ready to be. Watch this be like the front for the other side. It doesn't fit.
That's like the best noise ever.
ASMR. Dude.
Nice. Let's take a step back. Yep. That's a white truck.
Cocaine.
What?
Cocaine.
Let me go look at the other side really quick. I
Yeah.
gotta pull it out. That's a lot of work.
No, it's not. Just drive it. That's nice. So here is a before. Looks good. But here, the paint match is just so clean.
It's so clean.
Very OEM plus.
Yeah.
It's kind of like it's kind of like a Spoon NSX. OEM plus. Dude, with the black badge, she's mint.
Just mint.
All right, pull her in. Feels like you're breaking it. Quick with it.
Hopefully one day you can give me cool tires and wheels.
You buy 'em.
No, that's your job.
Okay, buddy. Very OEM.
Very OEM, not as sporty looking, more sleek. That's
More
really
grandma.
nice. More grandma?
You're becoming a grandma.
You must lift it immediately then.
Mirror caps are always weird to get off.
Yeah, because there's no good angle.
Don't act like you know. How many clips you think I broke?
All of them?
I broke one clip. One little J hook type Jimmy.
What do you think?
I like it.
Let me look.
Let's do before and after. After, before.
To me, they like look the same.
Well, one's black and one's white.
Got it.
If to you it don't matter, to me it matters.
And this is what you say?
Yep. There we go. Clean. You like?
I do like.
Coco.
I like the black ones more, I think.
Get out of my shop. Put those in storage, and 70 years later down the road, we'll put them back on. You said you didn't care.
I know, but now I look at it. I think this is the part that looks weird to me that I'm looking at. Is like, I wish this was white too. Because of the difference is kind of weird.
You're weird. Okay, the next thing we are doing is a new tunnel cover, or as Bobby calls it, a trunk cover.
Whoa.
Watch it. Yummy new wheel.
Wow.
So this is a cover I found on Amazon from Odero, and it is a quad fold. A lot of the times the hard ones are a trifold. So this is gonna be nice being a quadfold. Here we have all of the brackets laid out. So the first thing we're gonna do is install the rails. That is OEM. Okay, we gotta clamp this on. Dude, these are nice. I need the quadfold for mine. Nice billet brackets. So up front, we got the drain tubes on, the front gasket is on, all 6 clamps are on, and now this guy.
It's ready to go on.
All right, give her a go. Dude.
And even if you wanted to go more.
That's nice. I thought you had to pull both sides to open it.
Not even a little bit.
Roll her up. Or you don't want to?
I don't really want to.
That thing is clean. See if it shuts. The gate. That's clean. Tight fit.
Yeah.
You like?
I love it.
You like it better than the soft, or you like soft better?
I like both.
Yeah.
I think this one's a lot easier.
And it looks nicer. Because the soft is like floppy looking.
Yeah.
This is OEM looking.
Nice.
If you want to pick one of these things up, I'll go ahead and link it down below. Bobby wants some badges pulled off.
I do.
All of them? Some?
Some.
Show me which ones.
So, for surely, this on both sides has got to go.
What?
The off-road version, 31.
X31 off-road. It's a
X31.
special edition, dude. You're gonna devalue it.
That's got to go. I personally would like to remove the elevation.
That you're broke and can afford a Denali? Or what? You really? I like the elevation.
Well,
I was gonna say, those are stupid. The Sierra, that's just not a good word.
No.
Leave GMC, of
No.
course.
Sierra, like, if your name is Sierra, I think that's really pretty, but...
Okay, be woke. And then elevation. I like those, but we can ditch them. You know what would be, dude, go on Amazon, type in elevation badge black. Google that real quick. Or just Google in general. I don't know if Amazon sells them. Maybe GM does.
Crap, you're making me nervous.
That'd be clean. We don't need all black.
That's GMC. Look it's my X31 too.
Do you want them all black, or do you want some gone?
Why wouldn't they make them black to begin with?
I think just the elevation in black would be nice. Sierra can go. X31 can go. Thoughts? $40? Dude, that'd be nice. What do you think? You don't like them?
Can we just...
Rauke in it?
Let's just take off some stuff and just go from there. I don't know yet. I need to see the vision.
Okay, done. What do you think? Come look at your rig.
So much better.
Like it was never there. You like it?
Yeah. Dude, easy. You tipped it.
Already working with your chickens. Look at that.
Man, now my chicken scratch block will not get wet.
All right, last thing. What are we doing for tint? Are we matching the rear, or you want to black it out?
Match the rear. You can't black out the fronts more than the back.
Well, I'm saying I could do like 5% front, 5% rear. That's what my truck.
I can't see at night in your truck.
That's what my truck is.
I would prefer you just to match that.
So that's like 35, 30, 35.
I would say like, even if you did, you're trying to pick off my scab.
Look like a booger.
40 would be fine.
I don't have 40.
What do you have?
35.
Okay.
So the factory is 20% in the rear, and there's no tint up front. I don't have 20, so I'm gonna do what I have that's close, is 15% up front. Wanna do it?
I'll help.
No, you won't.
Yeah,
You'll be in my way. That's pretty snazzy.
Probably leveling kit and wheels and tires coming soon.
Leveling kit, wheels and tires.
Yeah.
You're the one who taught me. Shouldn't you be grateful for what you got?
No, I'm so grateful, but
Doubt it.
I'm just. What? You're the car guy?
Yeah, not a truck guy.
Oh, well, I gotta be the truck girl, I guess.
Fine.
Looks so good.
You know what you need is some steps that don't sit down all the time. You need folding steps.
If that's what you think I need.
That's what my truck has.
I know.
But that's nice.
Yeah, thank you, my love.
That's quality. That is just lovely.
Did you hear me say thank you?